Hi guys, welcome to our channel LiliRayEpic.
Do you know about BCI or Better Cotton Initiative? There are several major standards or initiatives for growing cotton using sustainable or ethically based principles, including organic cotton, Fairtrade, and Better Cotton Initiative. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the Better Cotton Initiative called BCI.
You are definitely in the right place if you want to support the planet by ensuring that whatever you are buying produced by respecting the ethics and environment. Please keep watching. What's BCI Cotton?
The Better Cotton Initiative is an organization to train and certify the cotton farms to be more sustainable and respect more to the environment and ethics in the following items. Use water efficiency and care for the availability water. Care for the health of the soil. Conserve natural habitats. Preserve the quality of the fiber. Promote decent work.
By respecting to these principles, better cotton farmers produce cotton in the way that is better for environment and community farmers. The Better Cotton Standard System is a holistic approach to sustainable cotton production, which will cover all three pillars of sustainability: environmental, economic, and social.
Each of components from the production principles and criteria to the monitoring mechanism which show results and impact work together to support the Better Cotton Standard, the system, and the credibility of the Better Cotton and the BCI. The system is designed to ensure the exchange of good practice and to encourage the scaling up the collective action to establish better cotton as a sustainable mainstream commodity. At the beginning of the 2014, farmers in the more than 20 countries worldwide were working toward producing over 1 million metric tons of better cotton. More than 300 BCI members across the better cotton supply chain were working to source this better cotton for the shop floors of major global brands and retailers, including Adidas, H&M, IKEA, Marks and Spencer, and Nike. In the 2017-2018 cotton season, 2 million BCI farmers across 21 countries produced 5.1 million metric tons of better cotton lint, accounting for 90% of global cotton production.
BCI's goal is the better cotton will become a mainstream sustainable community, reaching 30% of global cotton production by 2020. Thank you for checking out our today's video, and don't forget to share our today's journey with your family and friends. If you enjoyed the video and would like to see more, please hit the subscribe button. Stay awesome.